And in our top business story, Etisalat has successfully issued an inaugural bond under its recently established $7 billion global medium-term note program that was listed on the Irish Stock Exchange on the 22nd of May this year. According to news agency WAM, the issued bonds are denominated in US dollars and euros and consist of 4 tranches. A 5-year tranche of $500 million with a coupon rate of 2.375% per annum. A 7-year tranche of 1,200 million euros with a coupon rate of 1.750% per annum. A 10-year tranche of $500 million with a coupon rate of 3.5% per annum, and a 12-year tranche of 1,200 million euros with a coupon rate of 2.750% per annum. Net proceeds from the issuance of the bond will be used for repayment of the outstanding facilities of the 3.15 billion euros that were used to fund the acquisition of Vivendi's 53% stake in Maroc Telecom. Emaar Malls Group has successfully priced a $750 million 10-year debut Sukuk with a profit rate of 4.564%. According to a statement, the transaction came off the back of a global roadshow covering the key financial centres of London, Singapore, Hong Kong and the UAE. The proposed issuance was very well received by the market, with the order book closing at approximately $5.4 billion, 7.2 times oversubscribed. The pricing of the transaction achieved a balanced distribution, with Middle East accounts allocated 33%, European investors representing 38% of the allocations, and Asian investors picking up the 29% balance. Non-resident Indians are increasingly becoming the largest investors in the Indian real estate market, as NRIs invested over $2 billion last year. During this year's Indian property show in Dubai, organisers expect over 5.5 billion Indian rupees worth of transactions to be made during the 3-day event. More than 40,000 properties by over 150 developers are currently on display at the 14th edition of the Indian Property Show, looking to capitalise on the investment demand from NRIs. Popular Bollywood actor turned producer Arbaz Khan, who is also the brand ambassador of the show, inaugurated the exhibition and visited the stands of a number of developers who are targeting investors. Divided into 4 distinct pavilions based on the different zones in India, properties ranging from 600,000 and 1.5 million dirhams are being exhibited throughout the event. Real estate investments by NRIs are one of the largest sources of remittances into the country, according to the World Bank report. And India received a total of $70 billion in 2013. Organisers say that real estate investments in 2013 witnessed a 35% rise over the 2012 figure, urging many Indian residents in the Gulf countries to invest back home as a source of wealth generation, which in turn provides a sense of security.
NRIs for the Indian real estate market are very, very important segments. Some developers report up to 20% of sales coming from NRIs or Indians living abroad. So for them, very, very important. End of the day, NRI, why does an Indian go outside of his home country? He goes to make money and develop wealth for himself, and he uses that to invest back in India. But if you're a long-term investor and able to hold long-term, you'll always get rewards. And of course, at the end of 25 years, let's say you had a 15-year loan, and 25 years from now, you have a property that you own outright, you can live in, or you can rent out and make money. So it provides you security later on in life.
Property over the years has always been very fruitful and always been the right thing to do if you are looking as a long-term investor, because I don't know anybody who has invested in property over a period of maybe 3-5 years or more has ended up losing money, no matter how much up and down the market has gone, unless you're like speculating over a very short period of time. So property has always been a very a good kind of in a portfolio of investment.